What's going dark? What if I tell you this tenant wants to go dark? What does that mean?
You mean anonymous?
No, being anonymous, no, because these tenants want to brand themselves. They want everybody to know them. This tenant is in this location, and now they want to go dark. They want to continue paying you the rent, but they want to shut down. It is cheaper for them to pay rent than to operate. It's called going dark. So going dark means, okay, so McDonald's is going to be in this place, paying $12,000 a month. Actually, like in San Francisco, in the Pier 49, San Francisco has a very busy retail area. And McDonald's found a better location. And they had signed a 20-year lease. 12 years into it, when they found this better location, they told the landlord, we want out. We have 8 years left, so we're going to go dark. That means they kept paying the landlord, I don't know, $18,000 or $20,000 a month, but they actually went to another place. So that landlord couldn't care less if they're operating or not. He's getting paid. Is that good? It's called going dark.